We're here in Collegetown Center near the east end of the hallway. We're going into studio apartment 323. We are on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor elevator building. As we enter this apartment, you can see our kitchen is on the right. There's the refrigerator. The dishwasher is under the sink. We've got a sprayer on the sink. There's the microwave, the stove and oven. And you can see we have some assorted cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen for your kitchen storage. Across from the kitchen in this style of apartment, we'll find the bathroom. Let's go take a look. You can see over here, we have the same bathroom set up in all of the apartments, so you'll have that standing tub shower with the sliding door. There is the vanity with the sink, the toilet, the medicine cabinet on the wall, and we've got some hanging racks for your towels in here. There's a light above the mirror, and there is a ceiling fan that works for the bathroom as an exhaust fan. As we go into the apartment, let's go pass by the closet and take a look in there. So we've got hanging space in the closet, and there's some good storage here in this large closet for this room. As we go into the room, all of these studio apartments will have the same furnishing items. The items style may vary by apartment, but you will always have that tall bookshelf, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, a dining table and chair, as well as a dresser. These apartments here in Collegetown Center, in the rooms, will always have a wall light. You may certainly bring in your own task lighting for your desk if you like. Let's go over and see out the window. You can see the air conditioning unit under the window and our heater to the left. Near the window, you want to remember to not block your heaters so that you can have more heat circulation in the winter months. We're here on Dryden Road, so this is the street side or north side of the building. So we're able to have great people watching in our vibrant Collegetown neighborhood. Looking up to our right, that is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's our main intersection here in this neighborhood. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block from campus. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, apartment 323. We are in a north rectangle style apartment here in this building. We're on the 3rd floor. And we are located at 151 Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.